wondered how your body builds muscles, repairs cells, or even grows hair? It all comes down to proteins. But how does your body make them? The answer lies in your DNA, the ultimate instruction manual of life. Today, we're breaking down the amazing process of protein synthesis. Did you know that your DNA holds over 20,000 protein recipes? And each one is built using a special two-step process. Let's dive in. DNA to mRNA, transcription. Inside your cell's nucleus, a special enzyme called RNA polymerase reads a gene from your DNA and creates a copy called messenger RNA, mRNA. Think of mRNA as a portable blueprint that carries instructions to the protein-making factory. mRNA leaves the nucleus once the mRNA is ready. It leaves the nucleus and heads to the ribosome, the protein factory of the cell. But how does the ribosome know what to do? That's where the next step comes in. mRNA to protein translation. The ribosome reads the mRNA in sets of 3-letter codes called codons. Each codon tells the ribosome which amino acid to add to the chain, like assembling a Lego model. tRNA brings amino acids. But wait, where do the amino acids come from? Enter transfer RNA, tRNA. These tiny helpers bring the correct amino acids and attach them in the right order, building a long chain that will soon become a protein. Protein folding. Once the chain is complete, it folds into a unique shape, transforming into a working protein. These proteins become enzymes, hormones, muscles, and even help fight diseases, keeping you alive and healthy. And just like that, your DNA creates everything your body needs to survive. Isn't biology amazing? If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more cool biology facts. See you in the next one.